Onuado for wohwe me nua Ghana ni a wohwe me nua Ghana ni a wa subscribe to my channel meda wase me nua Ghana ni a de bia me de video beto a wo comment about it meda wase me nua Ghana ni a de bia wo be didi matem so meda wase in the video ne be tietietia me ka e dia me address this video to Sister Mandy blessing. This video is for you because me follow pa and me tie most of your messages. Yeah, sebi yeah. Kama yetimi aba social media ya started kasa because for the benefit of Ghana. Me did say obi bia o social media enti. Me did say obi bia o social media no. Wa ba social media because odo Ghana. Because Ghana da yakoma so. Most of us obi wo ho or ha because of niyefunu nti. Obi wo ha or social media because of popularity. Obi wo ha so a ope sika ana I don't know ope fame ana ope so trend any no manema. But yemu bi no you will have because of the betterment of Ghana. You say Ghana ye. And to me encourage obi bia all platform. Obi all platform and crofo tie no. Obi all platform and crofo follow no and crofo di nechi crofo tie ni nsem. Me pese ebe use this platform no to motivate our Ghanaian people to help emancipate them from the mental and religious slavery. And you bet me use sa platform way etimi the educated Ghana for etimi they changing the next generation of Ghana because you share direction Ghana ko yemri mu sese ya how do we need share Ghana sese ya now where direction Ghana ko na menua enko yie enti yem a ye ba no ye na o say nya change of mindset ye na o say ye sorry say we be say ye boa ma Ghana ekonanim by changing our mindset e was say ye ma oman no ye no e woda yakoma so I was say ye patriotic Ghanaians I was say ye ma oman no enim ko ene the foundation ye lay ato ama the next generation no I was say ye ma eno ehia ye papa since bibia na ye hwe direction Ghana eko ye hwe de empanyifo no ye hwe greediness selfishness ene the friend say incompetent leadership na ye wo Ghana whether MPP or NDC nema ekoso no I was say hwe kwan e be fa so ama sa direction no asesa enya sa omo ba no omo join politics se e ba no omo nyina no omba be the same thing and you know say ye ba no ye start say ye educated the next generation na ye national anthem no ye ma no ewurawura ye mu na ye hu se obi mu na ebre ye ege Ghana edisi ho ma yen moja na nananum hwiegu ye no ene na ede gi oman no eduwo ene mesoso se ye be ye bi atoa so de atoa so ne de twi na atoa so de mintimi nka but me pese ye ma oman ye yen ehia yen o se ye patriotic Ghanaians o se ye hu se next generation na eba no yen youth na yen ba no bebre tututu kwan bebre wa brochire but mama ye ni enko Ghana so mama ye hu se Ghana ehia yen menim say bi matututu kwan kwa abrochire nti omo de me fan say my madwe say omo mba ne de abrochire no mbetra omo mba de school no omo ko school abrochire omo nya omo professional abrochire nti Ghana no ehia omo but omo yi sa adwene free yetrim na ye hu say Ghana no kuntu hwan a ekonachi na Ghana na ebese akobiem na ebese akọ Ghana situation Ghana wo musisi ya no ye ntimi nkọ Ghana enko tenam because Ghana sisi ya me was ofri tema ekọ akra bit ma take about 3-4 hours ekọ ya was take about 30 minutes enti no dad ni ye e dey change sa situation way enti ndem se be ba ha no ma eye Mandy blessings na me ba ha Sister Mandy me tie o bebre me tie o videos no bebre na because of me nya videos no bebre ehwe o YouTube enti no na anya dodo na me tie because Facebook no you have to be on Facebook to be able to listen to somebody's video but say o YouTuber you can even have your screenshot and that no pena me no chat na make catch up enti no ye betimi aye bibia ye betimi da boa the next generation na Sister Mandy who a platform who a lot of followers nkofo tie o papa me so ya me di agro amansan tentan so omo social media mo kan sempa omo social media mo kan sema etimi motivate people omo kan sema etimi change the mindset and ebi ne wo Sister Mandy but they ba come me pese me catch you two things am pese me can this message am ya ma because me pese message in be tenting into two things me tsewa me hu se wo kan bebre me say me pese me can say e was say unya adwen sacha was ade no because say ya sane ma bia Ghana ni ehu direction ayeko. E was Sister Mandy, Uma Ghana, Eda Wakuma so. also ma Ghana ye no eda wakoma so minim say eda wakoma so but kwan be na ye fa so ama Ghana etime aye me philosophy ni anasa me ideas ni me makase de bia me ba me social media so na me kasa madika kase NDC any MPP are dominating Ghana e kasa fa religious aspect religion any politics na Ghana but in them be kasa fa religion ho any religion at the same time politics any movement that everyone been Moshe was starting because some man do can semi fan when me go step by step. Number one any politics no says here Ghana NDC ni MPP no afa Ghana no mu NDC ni MPP no e very difficult say any other political party bet me overthrow these two political parties because they've been well structured. Every constituency here, they have executives there. But all the other parties, they are not doing that. This man who can say, I was saying all the small independent and all the other parties, they create uncommon parties in this, all other parties in our country. I was saying now boom, and form one strong third party. And so because of because it greediness, it be most some person be president. Let me form about 12 political parties disqualified by 3 or 4. Sanka for women and kamu bomu. One strong party, Eddie face NDC or MPP anka. Me face Sanka Ghana Benya, there will be a competition, there will be a strong competition. But all the other parties, see there, Obia person in the yefunuko, see the Obia so power no kwani di entino. Oman yes and Obia de or call independent small political parties. These parties they don't go anywhere. And to see the sister man do kind nanka all these parties are now combining one strong force to counter NDC and MPP. Nanka yebenya good competition in Ghana, but ambanisa. But ambanisa na ye time ebe banisa no. There may so me idea me feel say or say ye man ye say NDC or MPP. The ebe yama party we I ye or mine ye no. And no say ye share. Ebe jina ye join and me MPP ni de bia me ba ha me kan me MPP ni me ma identify me ho to show where I belong. I belong to MPP party. But the point in this thing say I was see a joining party no with the mindset say you be sanitize the party no. Me call Ghana say me call running for MP. 2020 election me call here. But during the vetting process no, I'm disqualify me. Matthias say my back to the US. Me be adwuma me say ko biem. But the point in it say I was say yes ye dey NC from there try say you be sanitize political system no because this political parties no corruption is near then doors won't too much MPP or NDC. Omo na omo bo omani say it me see me wo MPP na obi a yesi obi mfa ne nsa benkum enkyere ne fie so ana say obi nsin ntum ne fie ntum ago wabon nti me no sometimes me ba ha no ma me mpese niema MPP eye na enye me mpese me abebo echi ana say if NDC go abo me mba me didi atem niema omo ya eye ne niema omo ya enye no eno na o say ka me ade ba kwa na akufo ade odi aba me pepa ne free SHS na odi aba because ebe boa ma Ghana fo bebre ni ada ho na bebre ni da ho ansam ya yen de aba ye kekan no ebe sinka ko mutrim. And this is a Mandy me samba back to you enti no me no de me pesa wo ye ne say NDC or MPP you have to show where you belong. Na afesu no yeah advise the youth that are joining NDC or MPP ni say omo joining party no with patriotic spirit or with patriotic heart. Omo join party ni say omo be kwa boa ma ya sanitize party no. Hwe NDC MPP omo ye say ka training the chiriba. Since Nana Akufo-Addo Oba so up to now. Yes, Imran Nana Akufo-Addo Oba one of his core message ni say corruption. Obe chiching kofo atutum. So up to now yenchi obi antum corruption no enwa kwa na ekoso. Nti no Nana Akufo-Addo to me create special prosecutor office. Martin Amidu up to now kutre kwa Martin Amidu on chin two mu enti no aye akwakwa yes game bi na NDC na MPP na mo playing because yet me nka say NDC for no bebre embezzle sika and also bebre misappropriate government funds bebre na bebre ko so ankoyi eno bi na lead to the resignation and accept to the sacking of Charlotte Oseni na manema no na bebre ko so but as at now almost 4 years near President Nana Akufo-Addo Baso onchi obi antum enti ya na ye mu bi na ye wo MPP na ye adwen ye sincere ye patriotic for Ghana no ye Ghana comes first before political party enti me MPP ni a Ghana comes first Ghana ye ni hear me same political party no who political party because political party na dominate Ghana enti say who be try Ghana nka say who the only MPP na only NDC say NDC for nya competent leadership na say munya obi. There are a lot of NDC parliamentarians me pe o masem. Me ne bi mo kasa me pe o masem. And you know, Ghana, so we parliamentarian, now you're NDC, now you're Nema, a young for your constituency. I can decide to like you. Ghana now say about first. No matter what we do, Ghana must come first. And this is a Mandy. Then better me catch on also bet me at transfer to your followers, to your people. And they say political parties and NDC and MPP are dominating Ghana. And yeah, joining the youth are more joining parties. No more so muti. No more joining parties, with a sincere heart. With the heart say I'm joining party, and they are sanitizing party, More joining party, you're starting corruption from the time they join. And you can be corrupted from the time you join by giving bribes for them to give you positions. So my bribe say my position, my bribe say if I'm sure, my bribe say if I'm sure, who MPB, mpacho PM sha no manisika. MPs they all need money to do this their campaign, to go and distribute money and motorbike and all these things to the people for them to vote for them. And in MP for no, there's no way I bet because we call MP okaso manisika say on fix so baby or on this no fix so baby, which is the beginning of your corruption, because so you be the position, you are going to be corrupt in the first place. So, I know say you free a team. Mama ye jumaye, mama ye hard work, improve who we are. And yes, the card remember be say baby. Your hard work and your qualifications should prove who you are. And Sister Mandy, me say video be tin see them kan no. This is makasa 11 minutes. Me say be tin. Na dem say me say NDC and MPP have dominated Ghana. So let us educate the youth that are coming, our fellow Ghanaians. Let us educate them, say, those who are joining the party, the youth that are joining the party, the youth that are aspiring for positions in the political party, they should join with a clear heart, with a patriotic spirit, with a patriotic heart, say, almost join the party for the betterment of Ghana. We have Ghana situation. There's no way that Ghana ain't mean develop. There's no way that Ghana ain't mean a beautiful country like Dubai and all. There's no way say you better say look at Dubai and say Dubai. Ghana you'll be whatever it takes to make Ghana beautiful. But yentimi adding here coin, here doom so. There shouldn't be in this 21st century, there shouldn't be any country grandpa doom light. Here goes some boy Krobe brain crop ni the power supply in Ghana. And so here doom so sometimes how you doom light or how so to me back for weeks now so ma will fear. Oh, it shouldn't be that. If the time me ba broche ha, yama light of Ebiana hurricane BS Ebiana and so after na eduebu na top power lines and crop within some few hours na must have connected. And Ghana Argentina sanema ebi nsisi ho so it me ma light of 3 days. In so to me back for 1 week. And the same man na say ye say be fix this problem no. In so to me to Ghana na nso nyina be say akobopum. Ye nim how e be preserve ye nsuo. And this is a man dem better catch us say ye educate Ghanaians no. Ye Ghanaian youth no more join political parties NDC MPP. All the other political parties very 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 difficult say in this age, in this now and age, you bet me third party be overthrow this NDC or MPP. E omo mienu ana eko. Enti no omo join no ye educate omo say omo fa patriotic spirit and joining political parties. Na omo nya positions na. Omo ma de ehia ma oman no endi omo nim. Omo ma oman no ye no ehia omo. Na oman ntimi nko nanim. Enti na person me catch you say NDC or MPP. Me ba platform to make say nobody should vote for NDC or MPP. Omo is them also. But the point in say Nana Akufo-Addo hono oye nema na enya o say etimi kasa na nema no say Mahama hono oye nema na enya o say etimi ka. Now we have to put them right. So I say organizing people to protest against them. We have to be able to organize the people to protest against them. And it's never say Ghana for or money daho. And this will lead me to my next topic, air religion. We see Abraham Ben Moshe one start the program because I'm right there and some back so me tears our video no. I'm right there and send me back so I there where I apologize say I was say the apology is fake inside of them no. Ube kasa and I will say Abraham Moshe say, oh, disprove the Bible and the Quran. So Abraham Moshe say, oh, disprove the Bible and the Quran. I didn't think I'm for a follow no. I didn't think that they be our ban or repeat the same thing. So man, them better busa on say, here sorry, for the time I wo ye na sorry, echo so Ghana. Na Bible we are no more preaching. I'm not preaching Bible we are for all these years, and so still every month we are to go to church for all times to preach the same Bible, to indoctrinate people. And movement na Abraham Ben Moshe was starting, oh, disprove this Bible with this same Bible. You ever see who say, never be a Bible we man, Nyankopon a troy. Because Nyankopon our boss rena asasino, ye jini di back on show book bia. And no na Abraham Ben Moshe was starting all disprove. But ebe here lessons, ebe here education. Anything that Abraham Ben Moshe they be about ni Facebook and also about the page or educating Crawford to understand the Bible, to read the Bible. Bible me crap me reading it just Abraham Ben Moshe. We reading now onim no. And today bia no ye koso sua ade from Abraham Ben Moshe. And so woka say nkofo na mo di Abraham Ben Moshe no echi no say Abraham Ben Moshe say oh disprove Bible na adentina still or that dey be oba beka science and some no the same message no preach no oka adentina nkofo that's what dinechi. Me say Bible no can baby say faith coming by hearing and hearing the word of God. And then Eddie Gidieba. So Abraham Ben Moshe any message, you know, it will sink into people's head by hearing and hearing and hearing it again. It also of course now it's me a microphone because me sometimes Abraham Ben Moshe, anytime you're about Facebook or your teachings, piano, I listen, even though I have listened to him previously, I have listened to a lot of his messages, you know. But anytime you're about piano, me tieno because I always learn something new. And he has always said, when you listen, you learn something new. But when you speak, you always repeating yourself. So we are all aspiring to learn. We all want to learn. It is man, but I still listen to you because there may be one sentence mean from order, and as mean make me and then I always listen to a lot of people, Best Scout, Nation blogger, a lot of people on social media. No, they say I'm on something 10. There are a lot of things that we can learn from here. There are a lot of educational videos and things that we can learn from the social media. But in Kofobi, you see the insult, the year Nema, any question on me. So we have to take advantage of this social media thing to educate Ghanaians. A lot of Ghanaians, about 50% of Ghanaians, are on social media. In the way you use this social media to educate Ghanaians to change their mindset, because religion, you know, at the year share box mu religion ahayache I was see ye ma Ghana phone hu se jumaden papa ye no kwareka na ma oman na konanim Bible we no a indoctrinate ye ache e de ya box mu Bible we any Quran no e ma nkofo entenke outside the box omo say omo hu se omo heaven o baby omo ko enti e ma omo nye jumaden e ma omo hu se ye ankasa na o se ye ma ya adwene ye adwuma na ye roads na build a hospital na create jobs e ma nkofo people nipa dasani na the number one friend saying human resource capacity obenya number one economy. People are the economy. It's the America ha see the moment of bebre eba mu no build the economy. Say see coronavirus abaya nipa ntimi tutu kwan ama economy na ascend ka down. Nipa na ye economy. Enti wo kro bi na wo lay infrastructure good na nipa no doso citizens no mo tomo obia ye adwuma utimi tete obia tax correctly ema oman no akoso ba Ghana hwe ye nipa ya wo nipa bebre. There are a lot of youth in Ghana they are aimlessly. It is there's no future for them. They are just working there doing nothing. And bra ban build factories, build jobs among more taxes from there to build the country. America, they don't even depend on their natural resources. They don't depend on a lot of the American oil or Texas company. There are a lot of gold America because they are using the tax system to benefit the people, to build a nation. Over bridge so tolls it's well structured. Toll now the maintain bridge, as the 2 hour Casenica and the build more roads. Ghana then a tolls can ton tolls no to say contract at the mob no be ton tolls no at the shin bottom. Ghana Tamamoto way go and look at baby omoji tolls no kwa tolls e wo enti no Bible when e dey to krom na jamanya concept no high enti Abraham Moshe teachings no way no he has to continue teaching. Enti sister man the man can say Abraham Moshe or say disprove Bible now why are people still following him? Why are people still following him? Because if he said he doesn't believe the Bible, why do people have to worry? I was saying for your worry because Ghana, no, I want the Bible way higher. Bible no Quran, I want the higher Ghana. And I was saying the padres Mrs. Sam so. Ghana, because of our sorry, and also because of religion in Tino. So big or rape or big cramp now. Instead of starting back police station, I be persecute that person. You know, won't say, oh, Jamania me, now penny for our patch, no more him for being our patch. Now I'm going to be Biamanaka. But yes, I know, started back over yes, I'm born in the beam. So, and I was said punishment in law and order now Ghana. And then I was say a shemukina, and then I was say police for your mom good pay, your mom good services some here. See the bay of Mojumano, ya money bribes, obi running red lighter, ticket also to and in a qua bam, a chroma talking on the cell phone ticket grampono, and build it every city very, very accurately. So, but Ghana and Sam Rano and Yejumantini, we are losing a lot. We are not getting enough funds from the people. So, and you know, I say to me, changing the mindset of the people. Now, boy, and then Abraham Ben Moshe was started. And you know, someone the baby catch us say, who are the right path? Who teach you? You know, the old check on the church. Ebi I made the mayor and minim say, minim se mechiachia enti obi na gina be bi obe correct me enti na bia de wo ye no you are on the right path but e bia onim se wachia baby a me face wachia ne say me opinion ne say see the wakache Ghana for say NDC MPP no omo ndi omachi hwe no matter what how Ghana is we can only have one president. We have Nana Akufo-Addo now. It support any nema ye be yama Nana Akufo-Addo assassin no and no say ye and no say ye the buano by educating the people because no matter what ye ntimi ko ye cool ka say the two Nana Akufo-Addo free so we need election here to next month and December election say two election Nana Akufo-Addo we need BMA. All Ghanaians must come together and support him. May any backbiting, may any pull him down syndrome. And then I see Ghana, even individually cramp no. We a cramp no people so pull you down. It's no, say Nana Akufo-Addo we need, say Mahama we need. We all have to support him. We all have to see him as our president because say Nana Akufo-Addo a bridger and yeah MPP for Nkwane Faso. Nana Akufo-Addo see schooler. Free SHS or there be MPP for one echo. And whoever becomes the president, as soon as the person have become the president, I will say some come together as one Ghana. Let me support send background. None agenda, none plans are all let me support him. But Ghana no pull him down. A dog so PhD, a very PhD, pull him down syndrome. High on baby Ghana because you do not support Nana Akufo-Addo. So yeah, the Papa Crown that you don't see the good in it. Ubonse na upeto pulling it down. Yenyi sa mindset ni free etrimu. Na the can see na aba NDC MPP amu see akan. Support bia wo bia no support the party awupe. There's no wrong. So we NDC na now we MPP ni. Ghana must come first. And to say see akan no na de we na dwuma ye, de otimi kasa ye, de otimi na dwuma ye, otimi campaign correctly no. O wi ni a asumdwe adwobro. Na ye de nesi so. O de nesi so we say pampe. There's no NDC MPP Ghana. There's one Ghana until the next 4 years, until the next election. And so na honorable must be in the campaign here. And to say you some mindset, you need to be educated Ghana for no munya some mindset na. Ebe bo be brama Ghana ti makonanim. Mina be ma wo hwe me. Asem we ekọ for Monday. Ye nyina amansantin tan ya so na edi agro. Enti nsem bi wo ha ye kan ye kama ye ho ye de kweti ye ho but at the same time no ye de eboa ama Ghana etimi akonanim hwe but religion no Nyankopon bi antro book no teachings that everyone must show there, but now say you embrace na because say all the Bible no to nchen and so the Quran no to nchen and chese kwana kwaye bone yen kan say yen kan say unko sorry and say unko mosque near there kwana kodi bone we can see those as a culture as a way of life but say kase Nyankopon bi atro book and na everyone must show this proof Nyankopon bi antro book ye ginyame di ba nyame antro book bia enti no I was say ye nyina ye do ye ho a service to man is service to God. Ye do ye ho ye papa ye kan kware ye dwumaden say dwuma bia de mama obi an sabeka bia no fa akomaden fa no kware fa ye wodwuma na Ghana ntim ko nanim me na be ma me pese me video no be tintin me da wase bebre say onya am ready for me. Thank you for taking these 20 minutes to watch your own brother Kofi Afum. Minia, so subscribe to my channel, Kofi Afum Motivations. Oh, YouTube, and I say, what are you doing as Ghana? Minia, we are here to educate, to inform, and to transform the mindset of our fellow Ghanaians and our fellow black people and Africa as a whole, so that we can develop our own continent. Ghana and Africa must develop. And if Ghana and Africa is going to develop, it's not going to be developed by angels. It's not going to be developed by the God in heaven. There's no God in Bible. The Creator has given us everything. We believe in the Creator. So if I say it's not God, I don't mean God has. We are all gods. So I say, It's yeah, I will say try say you be develop your crew. Janko po wama ya dream say you can develop your crew. Share a kwan and saying for 4 years. I'm going to quite rough. Me never me that was be so sure me say my video na tin me trust wa. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you. And as always, God bless our homeland Ghana. Sister Wendy, let me know what you think about this video. And let us all share ideas. We are here to share ideas, to correct each other, and to fight for Ghana, for Ghana's betterment, and for the betterment of the inhabitants, for the poor and those vulnerable people in Ghana. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye-bye.